These are the 4-inch clamps that I made yesterday. They're 3 pieces of 5mm plywood. So like I said, the idea was today I cut out these pieces out of masonite. These are 3mm, but I'm going to laminate them onto here because they cut out so clean on the laser, and they're going to look good. Alright, everything's glued up, and you can see these ones, I got them perfectly square. You can see no gap there, right? So set 1, set 2, you see there's no light. Alright, and set 3. This is the last set, but if you zoom in, you can see, watch when I push them together, it's slightly out of square. See slightly at the top, it's out of square there. So I'll show you how I'm going to fix it. Show you how I'm going to square these up with my 360 miter sled here. This edge right here is perfectly parallel with the blade. The right angle here, right? Stick it on this end. This is adjustable right here. So as you can see, I already got it dialed in, but I know this is perfectly square with the right angle, so I know I got a perfect right angle here. This, I'll overhang it very slightly, and then we'll clamp this down, and then we'll run it through the blade right here, and this shave off the end. Then I know I got this side's perfectly parallel. I'll just flip it over, and then we'll do the other side. See, that's nice and clean. We'll just flip it around. You see, we fixed it. You can see that thing. That's the wood. There's no light. So there you go. All right, so this is the last one. As you know, I got it perfectly squared up on the table saw, but this side doesn't really matter, but I did run them. I'm just gonna run them through the router just to clean them up. So all right, you can see I just used the flush trim bit and then just cleaned everything up there. Now that I got the process down, these are the 4-inch. They're all done. They look good. They're all perfectly square. I'm gonna go ahead and do a part 3 and make a 6-inch. So I'll have a 4-inch, a 6-inch, and then an 8-inch. But